Hey guys, this is Ital. Today we're gonna be doing something differently. So, we have a bin here with a lot of these Shopkins stickers right over here. And what's inside them is a bunch of these little wine bags. So what we're gonna be doing every Sunday, I'm gonna be opening at least three, like 1, 2, and 3. I'm gonna be opening these, or I'm gonna be opening different ones. We also found these collectible ones, so we got the Princess, Minnie Mouse, we got Elsa, we got Diana Queen's friend, we also got Anna, we got Kristoff, and there's Olaf. So we got all those. These are not really blind bags, but we're just going to open them because they're like little mini figures I could collect. So yeah. So we're going to get started now. So let's see what I first. So I found this at Kmart, and this is series 4, I believe. This is on Imaginext 3 through 8. I don't know, but I hope I don't get this switch or this clown. So if there's a terrestrial, oh no. Okay, so let's get started. I don't know about these guys, so okay. So I got this little man, I guess it's a zombie. Okay, it came with this. Oh, okay, here it is. Okay, I got this one. It came with the sword, and then it came with that, but in the pink color. That's a purple color. Okay. That was a very nice one. Okay, so let me just put this somewhere. Let's keep going. So we're gonna get to open Kristoff in this video. This is Kristoff. So I'm gonna be getting more blind bags too, guys. So let's open our last blind bag. And our last blind bag is just a Little's Pet Shop one, and I wonder which one we're gonna get. So I hope I can open this in a certain way. Thank you for opening. Oh, and this is a different checklist from the ones I bought. Oh, and I got a little puppy that came within this boot. And it came with this little bow. Oh, where am I supposed to put the bow at? Oh, it just comes here. Oh, okay. Ew, we cannot use it. So this is the puppy right there. Oh. Okay. Okay, so this is the puppy that came. It came with this boot. And it came with this bow. Whoa. The boot fell. Okay guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We got a lot of cool stuff on the blind bags. It was so cool getting all these. And then I got to open my first minifigure too. I don't know about these, but I got those guys. So, okay, I got those. This puppy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, like, comment, share. See you guys on next Sunday. Bye.